Hey guys, today's video is going to be very exciting because I will show you how the local guys in India get so crazy and obsessed about playing football that it doesn't matter whether it's a rainy day or not, they will still make it happen. So here are some few guys who have gathered to play football, but there's so much of water logging on the field due to heavy rainfall that they are now trying to get the water out of the field as much as possible. So here they bring pipes and all. So they will try as much as water to be out of the field and then they'll start the game. So here is all the techniques they're gonna use. This is the pipe, and now they will be sucking the water out as much as possible. Just keep watching guys, this gets more interesting. And here's a practice session. They're just practicing to see if the water and the field is good enough. I think the field cannot be dried anymore, but this much of water is fine for them. They will play in this as well. And this is just practicing and warming up before the match. And now the final match is about to begin. And here I will show you the chief guest. The audience chief guest is Kiru, intently watching outside. He loves to watch this game. So he's very excited, looking outside intently and watching the game. He's the chief guest of honor. So the match has begun and now you can see they're playing in the muddy, watery field. So much fun. He is so excited. He's still watching. And see, I'm zooming in the camera. You will be able to see the game better this way. And this is the best part of the game. Just wait. See how they splash the water? It's so exciting to watch this part. It's my favorite part. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy rainy day football.